How to spell it?
I-N.
See that guy? Those guys are with. Ooh, shit.
Oh!
Oh my gosh.
Oh!
Oh my gosh.
Oh!
He broke the window. Oh, call the cops.
Tell him to sit down.
Hey, wait.
This is bad. I don't know how to open that.
Hey, are you good?
Oh my god. Are you okay?
He's climbing out.
Okay, alright.
I'm good. I'm
Get
good.
him out.
Okay. You're good?
I'm good. Call 911.
I'm okay. Just you?
Okay?
It's just me. I'm good. You good? You sure?
I think we should try to get you out.
Oh no, I'm gonna get out. Yeah, I'm gonna let that door go now. Oh my god. Yo, watch your wrist.
Taller, broader, armoured in crimson heartplate, the Red Queen, smoke rising from the mantle about her shoulders, as if she might at any moment burst into flames. Alicia. The Lady Blue tilted her head to acknowledge her visitors. And your sister.
That was red.
That was yellow. It wasn't red though.
Oh.
It wasn't red though.
On camera.
Can I see it?
You can see it in court if you want to.
Can you pull into the sheriff's department?
I don't know where that's at. I'm not from here.
Okay, keep going straight.
Alright. And he's still behind
And
me.
you'll see a big building, and you'll go down that road.
Yeah, he's following me.
He's still following you?
Yep, he's following me.
Okay, just keep circling around the parking lot at the sheriff's department.
Is there a way
Do
y'all
not park.
can? Is there a way y'all can have somebody come out here?
We have officers coming to you as quick as they can.
Because he's still behind me.
Okay. Can you see his tag?
Oh, he's actually in front of me now.
Can you give me a
He's
tag?
in front of me. I got the sheriff's on the way. You better get the out of here, man. Fuck you. I'm armed. You better get the away from me. You better get the away from me.
Hey,
Bro,
hey, can
get
you
the
separate
away.
yourself?
I can't. He's in front of me. He's blocking me in. He's blocking me in.
you in?
He's blocking me in right now. Fuck off. You need to fuck away from me before you get shot. I do. I'm putting my gun up.
Okay. Okay, please do.
He passed me on a double line or whatever, and then just kept like brake checking me and stuff. And we get to a red light here near Lenore, and he pulls up beside me, starts flipping me off, cussing at me. So of course I flip him off, and as I'm going, he starts trying to ram into my car back and forth. So that's when, once he started trying to run me off the road, that's when I called you guys, and they
I'm in front of it right now.
After the plate and slowing down. Fifty, we got it stopped.